Planning to visit Belgium? Stop and watch this first. 1. Belgium is more than Brussels. Brussels is popular, but Bruges, Ghent, and Antwerp are even more beautiful. Don't stay in just one city. 2. The weather is crazy. Sunny in the morning, raining in the afternoon. Always bring a jacket or umbrella even in summer. 3. Beer and chocolate heaven. Belgium has 1,500 plus beers and the best chocolate in the world. Skip the tourist shops, go local. 4. Train travel is super easy. Want to explore? 1 hour train rides can take you between cities. No car needed. Very efficient. 5. English is widely spoken. Please speak Dutch, French, and German. But don't worry, most people speak English too. Bonus tip. Best souvenirs? Spiculous cookies, Belgian lace, and beer glass. Way better than keychains. That's your Before You Go Belgium. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel shorts. Bye!